You will never buy them again. The factories of wet wipes do not want you to know this. Pay attention, because when you know this, you will start doing it today, and you will thank me for having told you. Many of us have ever bought a package of wet wipes to disinfect and clean the home. The problem with these wipes is that they tend to wear out quickly. They are expensive, and in many cases, they have a smell that is not pleasant for most people. Today, I will teach you how to make your own smelly wet wipes quickly and easily, using a few ingredients that we all have in our house. To begin with, we will take a roll of towel paper that you normally have in the kitchen, and with the help of a knife, we cut it in half. This will give us a lot more. I would like to know where you are watching us from to send you a special greeting. Today's greeting is for Yamilet Contreras from Panama. Once we have cut it, we take the roll out of the center. We get a medium-sized container that has a lid, and there we put the half cut of the roll of paper. Make sure the container is big enough to fit without problems. Now we put aside for a moment. Next, we look for a container and add 400 milliliters of water. We also add 150 milliliters of alcohol. We add a tablespoon of dishwashing liquid soap. And in turn, we add a few drops of scented essential oil of the one you prefer. We stir so that all the ingredients are well integrated. Then we pour all the liquid over the roll of paper towel until it is completely moistened. Then we cover the container and shake the roll of paper so that it absorbs all the liquid well. Once this is done, we will have the wet, disinfectant, and scented towels made at home. With these towels, you can perfectly clean the top of your kitchen. You will see that when you use it, you will leave a spectacular shine in your kitchen. You can also use it on the opaque wood to remove dirt and leave it shiny. They are ideal for when you want to do a quick wash to your bathroom, and in turn, you can clean the mirrors and leave them stinging. It is also perfect for cleaning the door handles and cleaning the appliances. And if it were not enough, it also serves to remove stains from scratched walls and taps. If you reach this part of the video, leave me the phrase, "Homemade towels?" so I'll know you saw the whole thing.